Did you know that you can estimate the flow a hemodialysis central venous catheter can generate with a simple syringe? First, we need to disinfect the CVC connector. Next, we remove the locking solution. Now we can flush the catheter. As explained in a previous tip of the month, using the pulsatile flushing technique has proven to be more effective. We now use this 10 ml syringe to estimate the flow capabilities of this lumen. To do so, you need to aspirate blood in one strong movement and count how long it takes to fill up completely. In this case, it took 3 seconds, which is equal to a flow of 200 ml per minute. This is not sufficient for hemodialysis. Now, let's try the venous lumen of the catheter. Again, we need to disinfect the connectors first. We remove the locking solution. And we flush the venous lumen with saline. Now, once again, we aspirate blood in one strong movement. This time, it took less than 2 seconds, which is equal to a flow of more than 300 ml per minute. This is sufficient for a hemodialysis treatment. This test is applicable for all different flow speeds and will help you to decide on the actions that will be taken. We can search for the cause of flow problems, or we immediately reverse the hemodialysis bloodlines to ensure an effective dialysis treatment.